Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs on the Earthly Landscapes blog. I'm at a project in Huntington Beach designed by me, installed by Los Gatos Landscape, partaking in the Municipal Water District of Orange County Turf Rebate Program. And I wanted to show you what the project looks like, but before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, so in this part of the garden we have two Artemisia. I can't remember the specific species. And then here we actually have a Cleveland sage. It is a Hapatul, I believe, not the standard Cleveland sage. So it's going to get just tall and wide enough. And then this, which is new to me, is a gravel driveway. I've actually never until now designed with a gravel driveway, but the homeowner really wanted to experiment with it, and I was game to try it out. So then we come to the main portion of the garden. We have basically an entire palette of strictly California native plants. Some white sage, some yarrow, some Siskiyou blue fescue, some Encilia californica, some mimulus. And then this walkway here was basically chunks of what was ripped out from the driveway made into a pathway with decomposed granite. And of course the ever so stunning dry riverbed. There's also a juncus. The premise of this specific part of the dry riverbed is that the water feeds from the gutter into the riverbed. And then another feature, which is also a sustainability feature alongside the dry riverbed, is the two rain tanks that are here. And so the way the rain tanks work is the excess water feeds underground into that little pile of rocks over there. And whatever water is collected, the homeowner can use to irrigate the pots with and whatnot. And this creates a perfect area to sit with a cup of tea. And if you're curious to know how the tree is going to do within the decomposed granite, it's going to do just fine. It will not be hindered in any way.